The reason this is important is for a very simple example. If we said, hey, in this search form, I really want the button to be an arrow, an icon instead of an actual button. Well, there would be two search forms if it had been written on the channel page and the home page. And so that has a minimum. It's the smallest problem, but it is a real problem that all of a sudden it has to know to make that change in multiple places. But it's very likely when you described it, you'll say, hey, on the home page, when in that search field, I want that to be an arrow. And it will take that literally and not change it on the channel page. So that's one of the reasons we want to separate these concerns. There will be other reasons, and I'm sure we'll bump into some, or we may not, because the next thing we're going to move into is kind of setting this thing up to be able to separate this code appropriately every single time. So let's take a look. That's really the tip that we're going for here. Let's see what it looks like to do something like that. All right, in the top level folder of the application that you're writing, cursor, this just happens to be a cursor specific pattern, but I know Windsurf has a similar pattern. And what you need for cursor to house this information is a folder at the top called cursor, .cursor, I should say.